in my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily.
Hi, it's your girl Mattie and welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to look around and subscribe and have your notifications turned on so you don't miss a thing. And if you're a returning subscriber, I'm glad you could make it back in good health. In today's video, I'll be making a different kind of DIY. I haven't done this kind of DIY before, honestly. And I don't know how it's going to come out, but let's see. I decided to share this with you guys because I saw someone doing it and it looks simple. So I'm giving it a try. And for this DIY, I'll be using the Nature Twist by Darling, you can see, and Darling Rastafari. I'll be using a tail tooth comb to partition, and I'll also be using wide tooth comb, to detangle, and also I'll be using hook. It's crochet, guys. We are doing crochet, so you need this. This is the main ingredient. This is the main sauce, And I'll be using Eco Styler to style. I don't know what I'm styling with Eco Styler, but let's give this a try. I hope it comes out well. I sectioned my hair into 22 or 23 parts thereabouts with the help of the rubber band method, guys. If not, it would have been a disaster. And if you're going to use the rubber band method, please make sure to use a black rubber band, not the colored one. It's going to make your job easier, trust me. I used 3 strands of Rasta locks on each, and if you want yours to be bigger or longer than mine, you need to get more than 3 packs of Nature Twist and more than 2 packs of Rasta locks. That's really you can achieve your desired volume and desired length. Else you have to walk back to the shop the next day to get more. And it took me about 6 hours thereabouts. I started by 11 p.m. and I finished by 7 o'clock. But that was because I was dancing in between, doing some other things. But if you're a serious-minded person, you can get it done within 4 hours. It's that simple. Did I say it's that simple? Guys, it's not simple. I almost died. I won't be giving a detailed tutorial on how I achieved this look because, guys, as you can see, I was struggling. I didn't know what I was doing. But then again, you don't necessarily have to pass the 3 strands at once. You can do it one after the other. That was the struggle. So just take your time. After I managed to pass the locks through the hook, I had to braid down. I also tried the twisting pattern, but it didn't work because I was looking for an easy way out. But then again, there was no easy way out. I had to resort to braiding. So you just braid with your hair straight down to the tip. If you want to add, that's the point where you have to add. the major challenges I had was trying to pass the locks through the hook. Guys, it was a struggle for me because it was my first time of handling a hook and crochet at the same time. It was really a struggle. But if you're used to this, that means it's a small thing. You can do it. At the tip, make sure you use your kinky book or your nature twist to tighten it well at the tip so your hair is not going to lose before you burn it. Once you've successfully passed your nature twist through, secure one end and use the other end to wrap around. Make sure the roots is tight enough before you start giving space. Once you're done wrapping the roots, you need to start giving space when wrapping the other side so that your hair is going to come out the crochet kind of look you want it to come out. That was a mistake I made, so give a little space, not too much, not too little, but just the right amount of space. And again, you don't need to worry about rubber band because darling got you covered. With the rubber band inside the hair packs, you can actually start your own rubber band business. The ones I have, I managed to gather. I'm going to use them for the next 5 years, so don't worry about rubber band. this is the final look, guys. Just beautify your hair, put your charms, put anything you want to put. Just make yourself look beautiful. It's that simple, guys. So if you like more of this kind of videos, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be willing to give it a try, just for us to have fun, you know, just have fun. So guys, please make sure to subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you for watching.
Why do I, baby, why do